Hey everyone, wish you all a very happy new year. I am Pratyusha, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share all the planners I purchased for this 2025 year, and also I want to share my experience with the old planners. This is the exciting time of year to buy the planners and also to plan for this year, to write the goals. These are the goals that we wish for to accomplish. These goals are the directions for our life, how we want to become in our life, what is our 5 years plan, and what is our annual goal. So, these goals can be divided into every day's action. So, we can write down all these to do list as the actions for that goals to be accomplished. We can include them in our monthly planners, daily planners, and weekly planners. This is the monthly planner I purchased from the Burlington Coat Factory, and this is also very cute. And inside these monthly dividers, we have these good sheets. Along with this, I am so excited for this weekly goals, so that I want to note down what are the things I have done for that week. For example, I wanted to go for the gym for 2 times a weekly, so I just want to track them down in these weekly things. This monthly planner also has each day. For each day we have the space to write down the to-do list. So I am going to use this one. Last year I was tracking my progress in the monthly planner. I was using the monthly planner to record my expenses along with some events that we attended and the achievements we have done on that particular month. And I was also writing down the decluttering things that I was doing it. So this is how I was using the monthly planner last year. I was looking for the same planner but I did not get it. So this is the new planner I purchased for the monthly planner. This is my last year's monthly planner. So I was using this one to keep track of my some of the things for each month. So for each month I have these blank pages so I can note it down the achievements and the books I am reading, all these things I just want to keep it. This is another planner with the day designer. So I like this planner. I have been using it from past 2 years. So the quality is very good and inside the content also I like it. If you can see a month wise, you have the monthly tabs and you can also select this one. I do not like this part, but the next pages I like it. For every day you have the schedule hourly wise and also top 3 priorities, and you can also note down. You can also include the 2 nights and gratitude list. So whole day you can write all the to-do list here. I'm going to use this a lot. This planner I am using the task like morning routine, evening routine, and any home cleaning task along with some YouTube making video ideas what to do for that day. So in this way I'm dividing them into small actionable items and also noting them as a to-do list. This planner also has some extra pages for the notes section at the end. This is the law of attraction planner. It has the life planner and productivity. It is undated one, and weekly planner. It has 12 months of things. It is in A4 size. There are beautiful quotes in the law of attraction planner. And coming to this law of attraction planner has a roadmap which has the awareness, self discovery, and make vision statement and set a big goals. All the stepwise create the vision board and they make a clear strategy. You have lot of things here, and these are some questions to ask to empower your day. Similarly, you have some affirmations here in the law of attraction planner. and how you can take care of the self-care list is here. And here you have like 50 goals you can set for your life, along with the money and fun and recreation goals, family goals, health goals, and spiritual goals. You can ask many questions for yourself, like where I am going, where I am now, and how can I get there. I am so grateful for these things, and some important life goals here. These are the skills and habits. Setting your financial goals. This planner has this summary of the expenses tracker and the income. All these details are given here. You can fill it out and you can plan the whole month. You have the table for the ideas, gratitude, and victories and notes, whatever you wanted to write it. And review of the month. This is the important one. What are your achievements? What is that you learned from the month? Design your next 30 days. So this planner has covering all the things for the monthly goals and also for the life goals and all these things. So also I purchased this one